Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today video I am telling you about one trick where you can put the subtitle for your YouTube video without having any knowledge. It's just a simple trick where you can get the subtitle on your video. So let's get started. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for notification for new videos. So guys, if you have a YouTube video and you don't know how to put a subtitle under your video, so this video is for you. So I will show you from my channel. So we work on this video. Okay, let's play the video and see what we have on this video.
Guarantee you didn't know exists. This Android tip will let you find out what's wrong with your phone.
You can see here don't have the subtitle of this for this video. So if I want to put the subtitle, you just need to do the little thing only, just 1 second. You spend the time and then it will be done. Go to the show more. Under the tags, you just need to put the small tag. That's all. Really, it's just done. Just insert this tag and then save as. That's all guys. After changing saved, just go to that video and refresh it. Now let's see what will come. You can see here subtitle is added.
Secret phone hack I guarantee you didn't know exists.
You can see
this Android tip will let you find out what's wrong with your phone. Dial *#0*#. It's going to take you to diagnostic menu.
So you can see here that the subtitle is added already. So it's just a small trick to add a subtitle on your video. So hope guys you like this video and trick, and if you really like it, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming video notification. Thank you.